I am going to be starting from the very basics. With this, it's really learning how to control the cuts, how to control the tools. When you carve with a V-chisel, you want to start and you want to have it even, not leaning one side or the other, okay? Because what happens is, if you lean it one side or the other, it's going to go under the wood. If I make these cuts like that, right, all the way like that, and then like that, and I go a little bit into there, very, very easy to break that. The more curved ones are a lot more difficult because there's so much to make sure that you actually rotate it around. You make sure that you're going to reach all. The ones that are more mild curve, not quite as curved, are a little easier because you don't have to take your wrist and wrench it.